Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Friday of our review week, and we're going to start by going over the numbers we gave you yesterday for you to represent. We had two numbers. We had the number 5 and we had the number 3. Now Miss Kathy and I went ahead and represented them with the shapes. We have 5 squares and 3 triangles. So I can easily kind of look at this and see that these guys have partners, and then I have these two left over. So it means that 5 is my biggest number. I also can look at the number line and see that I have 5 and I have 3, and 3 is closer to 0. So I know that's the less than or smaller number, and 5 is closer to the 20. So it's the greater or bigger number. What we're also going to review today is one less and one more. So if I have 5 and I want one more of 5. So Miss Kathy's representing, giving me another square over here. So if I have one more than 5, my next number would be, what comes after 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? 6. So I would have one more of 5 would give me 6. Now, if I have 3 and I took one away, I had one less than 3. Thank you, Miss Kathy. I now have 1, 2, because if I have 3 and one less is 2.
So that's kind of counting backwards and counting forward.
Definitely.
Okay, so let's try this again and see if you can do it with us. Let's go back and roll our dice. Now, if you have dice at home, you can use that. Or maybe you can get a stack of cards or your number cards and flip them and choose the numbers. This way, though, we're writing the number that we're going to represent. So let's roll 2 numbers. Oh, what's this? I know that's the greater number. Do you know what it is? Can you supervise it? 6. That's right. 6. Now count on 6, 7, 8.
So my number would be 8.
All right, let's roll for our second number. Oh, what's this? It's the same or equal. So I can subitize one and count on. You ready? Subitize 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And those two numbers are equal. So what we're going to do is we'll roll a third time so we can get a different number than 8. Oh, can you subitize this for me? You're right. 2, 2, 3. So now our numbers are 8 and 3. Let's go up here. Now we're going to represent them. Oh, Miss Amy, let me see. Let's pull them over because I'm not sure. I need to recount.
Definitely, because I might get confused.
Exactly.
From what before.
So let's pull them off to the side and represent. You ready? Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ooh, we'll need more.
7, 8. All right, there's our 8. Now let's do represent 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There's our 2 numbers.
And I can tell that 8 is bigger than 3 because there's more of the shapes under the number 8. I also think in my head we just did the number 5, and would 5 be more? Yes, because the way we had it, it was just in one line, and now we have 2 lines. So 8 is even bigger than 5, which was our greater number before.
Correct. All right, and remember, if you're not sure, you can draw the lines to match like Miss Amy did, or if you've got things you're laying down on each other, watch this. I drag my 3 on top, and I'm out. I don't have any more, so I know that I have more squares than triangles. Or I could
use your number line. That's always easy to do. You can even draw it on your paper if you need some extra help figuring out where your numbers are.
So I hope you've enjoyed reviewing with us with greater than, less than. Now, let's see if you could help us with the +1 and -1. So I'm going to move the triangles back over, hopefully.
Good job.
All right, and Miss Amy, if I add one more to that 8, how did I do
So
that?
if I look on my number line and I see 8, I know I have to code this way. I have to go towards the 20 to make it bigger. And one more, I'm going to jump kind of one more, or I can count in my head and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What would come next? 9. So one more than 8 is 9.
9.
So
All right.
the 3, if I have 3, I'm going to go this way. So I know that to get less than 3. And 1 less than 3 would be 2.
2.
I also know that because Miss Kathy's going to take away one of these triangles, and I know 1, 2 is 1 less than 3.
So do you, so is our number still greater than?
Yes.
What do you
it
think?
is.
Yes, so it's getting even bigger. So it's still greater than, and our 3 is still less than because it's closest to the 0 on the number line. I hope you've enjoyed reviewing with us this week.
Have a good week. See ya.